This is Motorola Moto E6S, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can use the VPN connection on this device. So to begin with, I'll tell you from the start that in order to connect our device to the VPN, we'll use the free Google Play Store app that is called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly go ahead and get it. So here is the app that we were looking for, so let's quickly download it. Once the app has been installed, just go ahead and open it. In here, agree on the terms and proceed. Wait until the app gets loaded. Skip the ad if it pops up. So to start, in order to connect your phone to the VPN, just tap on this little caret icon over here. So as you can see by this little key icon at the status bar, the VPN connection has been established. Now you can change the server that is used if you want to change the country. So right now it is set to be Germany. I'll set it to, Canada, Toronto, for example. Why not? Now it will reconnect itself to another server. Here it is. Now it is connected to Canadian server. Once you're ready to turn it off, turn the VPN off, tap on the cross icon, then opt for the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.